at least 2 days late is 100 minus this. So 100 minus 64.06%, or simply 35.94, if I am not wrong. Got it? The probability of raining today, if it is 40%, the probability of not raining is the remaining. Simply here, the question asks what is the probability that it will be at least 2 days late.
So that's our answer, 35.94.
Yes, 35. So we found the opposite first, because that is easy. Okay.
And if it said at most 2 days late, then you'd find 25? And that's it?
Okay. The question is now at most. So at most, right? At most. Good question. That means the latest date it can finish is 25, right? 25. So we'll find for 25. So Z value is 25 minus 23, 2.79.
7168.
0.168?
7168.
0.72.
Yeah, 72.
0.72. Okay. For 0.72, what is the p value? 0.72, brother. Yeah. 7642, right? 7642. That means 76.42%. It may be at most 2 days late. Okay, make it a difficult question. Any question here? Okay, another difficult question is, what is difficult question? The project will finish on the 25th day, exactly on that date. No, the earlier we found by the end of 25, that is by the end of 25. So by the end of 25 days versus 125th day. It is not same. It means what we are doing, you can write somewhere. If I scroll down, you will see that.
So you just find out the end of the 24th day then?
No.
Well, it's essentially the beginning of the 25th. You're finding out the end.
On that day. Okay, I'm coming, but before that, I'll follow this. It is cumulative. Whatever we are finding here, it is cumulative. That means by the end of. So whatever we found by the end of, it means it can. So last time we found is right by the end of 25. That means 25, 24, 23, 22, everything is possible. This problem exactly 125. So what we'll do, we'll find by the end of 25 and then by the end of 24. We'll find both, subtract. Then exactly on that day.
Why can't you just do 24.5?
24.5 means by the end of 24.5. Anytime before that possible.
That'll be halfway through the.
No, it means by the. Well, it is not like that. I understand what you mean, not like that. So we have to find by the end of 25. It means 25, 24, 23, 22, everything possible. It means 24, 23, 22, everything possible. The minus is only on that day. So Z value for 25 minus 23 divided by 2.75 and Z value for 24 minus 23 minus 2.75. So it is 25, it is 24. Oh, we already found this last time. 0.72, right? And this value, I'm not sure. Calculator. 2 divided by 2.79.
0.36.
This one? 36? 7 right? Okay. Then what is the p-value for Z? 72. 72 is, okay. Oh, brother, come. 7642. So for this case, alright, simply 76.42%. For this case, 36.
64.06.
64.06, right? 64.06% the balance. That means 72 is here, this minus this. The balance is this. So roughly 14%.
12.36.
Oh, 12.36, yes. Now how is this? So this means it is by the end of 25, 24, 23, 22, everything possible, cumulative. 24 means 24, 23, 22. If I subtract it, the balance is only 25th days. Okay, what are the other questions? Oh, the opposite case. Now, the opposite case means back calculation. Other question, what is the cumulative finish date at say 75% reliability? Now this question is the like back calculation. This time I am not telling when it will finish. I am telling at 75% reliability, what is your finish date? Opposite case. Or what? Now reliability means simply the probability that we can rely. That's 75% or maybe 80%, 90%, whatever the value I give you. So this time I am not giving you the date. I am giving you the probability. What is my date? Opposite case. You got the question? This time I am not giving you the date and asking what is the probability. I am giving you the probability and asking the date, opposite. So do the opposite case. Opposite case means first read the value. Where it is 75%. Here, 75. Then I do not know. 75. Here, right? 7486 or 7517. You got it? Roughly in between, right? Roughly in between this. So I will take 0.57 in between 5758. So I will take 5775.
It's a 6, 7.
What is 6? Oh, 6. You're right. Yes, it is 6. Yeah, right. So can I take 0.6? 675, right? In between. So my p value is 0.675. So Z is T expected 23 days. This is 2.7779. No, this is not p value. This is Z value. P value is 0.75. Z value is this. So TNE is 23 plus Z times 2.79. Yes or no? 23, Z is 0.675, 2.79. Yes. Whatever you find, that is the date. Just the opposite calculation. First few cases we found Z first, Z2 we found P. This case, take P first, P to Z, Z to time. Full reverse case, U-turn. Got the question? Okay, again, last few problems I gave you date and asked you what is the probability. This time I give you probability, asked you what is the date. So do the reverse turn, is make a U-turn. Do not find Z first or this first. Find your probability first. 75, where is 75? We found it is roughly here. 6 and 7 in between, 6, 5, 7. That means 0.675. We took this. Maybe 0.64, maybe 0.674, 676. We just took some rough number. Then go back, insert it here. Find your date. Take some time. Ask me a lot of questions. Still you have 3-4 weeks for final. This is the final. It is not so. Huh? Oh, I have to do the calculation.
Do you round it up? It's 24.88.
So 24.88 days we found it. Simply 25 days. Yes, it can be a good answer.
So what is the P and the Z value have to do?
P means the probability. Z means the Z factor. It has no Excel, no name. Statistics people, they call it Z value, Z function.
Why are we adding 23 to Z?
Oh, I'm just using this equation. Because we know the Z now. We found it from there. Z is 6.665. Oh, 7, right? Yes, 675. That is my Z value. Plug in here. Find your T and E. Solve just. Twist. I just keep it online here, okay? Because I have no space. Okay, first question that I gave you the probability. That is 75%. Where it is? It is here. Roughly here. So that means for P is 0.75, my Z is roughly 0.675. We took this as a rough interpolation. Then we know the equation T and E minus 23 divided by 2.79. Okay, next line I will write T minus 23 equals 2.79 times Z. What is the next step? Clean this, right? Clean this. Then T is 23 plus 2.79 Z. Okay. Then 23, 2.79, Z is 0.675. That means 24.88 days. Calculation.
So we have a question on how you got the 0.675.
Yes. Okay. The question was, what is the date at which my probability is 75%? That means P is 0.75, right?
Yeah.
Look at this 0.75 somewhere in the curve. 0.75. Anywhere you like. We found it is here roughly. 0.7486. 0.7517. So maybe in between, right? So we assume at the middle, not 7, not 8, 7.5. So 0.075. Now where it is? 0.6. So 0.67, little more, 7.5 say.
I thought we originally started going down to the 0.7. and then over to the 0.5.
Right.
So go all the way back to the left.
You gotta start with
Okay.
your number.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I thought you start at 0.7, and then you go down to the 5.
Right.
That's not what I did last time.
Oh, last time we are doing the opposite case.
Yeah.
Okay, that's my question, yeah.
This is my z value.
Uh-huh.
Now I do not know the z value. I know the probability value.
Okay. there it
I am
is.
finding z, opposite,
Okay.
total U-turn. Okay, I don't know what is happening.
It's just that input is after that.
We said many times, not working good. Okay, and another example is given in your book. It is in your handout also. See here. See this problem. It is also given in your book. So practice this. Let me know if you have any question, because this is very important for your final exam. So okay. So this is the duration given everything.
So our exam tomorrow, this is all it's on?
All about chapter 7,
Yeah, not this.
not this. It is in the final.
What problem for the